One of the biggest problems real estate investors come to me with is that they can't qualify to buy that new investment property unless it's in cash. Either they own too many properties and the bank won't lend to them anymore, or on paper, after writing everything off, they don't qualify for a traditional investor mortgage. The great thing about a DSCR loan is you don't need to provide any income documentation. Generally, most programs require you to put between 20 and 30% down, depending if the property debt services. So, what that means is if you put enough down that the rent that you're going to get covers the entire mortgage, so principal and interest, taxes, and insurance, then you can put as little as 20% down with most programs. But if it doesn't cover everything, then you're going to have to put at least 30% down. So just because a property doesn't cash flow doesn't mean you can't qualify for it or that you need to show all of your income doc. What's even better about these programs is in the past, you had to do hard money loans that might be 12, 13, 14%, and were short term. They're supposed to be paid off in 5 years or less. The great things with these loans are there are many different options. So you can get a traditional 30-year fixed loan. You can even get a 30-year interest only loan for the first 10 years. It's an amazing tool for investors who don't want to provide all their income docs because either they just don't want to deal with it or they don't qualify. If you're an investor looking for a better option, the DSCR may be the answer. One of the first questions I'm always asked is, what are the rates with the DSCR loans? And yes, they're not the 12, 13% that you traditionally find in hard money loans. And I'm not going to quote exact rates, but typically they're about a percent higher than your traditional 30-year fix. The DSCR loans can be competitive compared to a traditional Fannie Freddie investor loan. The great thing with DSCR loans is you don't have the loan limit cap like you do with the traditional Fannie Freddie investor loans. If you want to buy a $2 million property and put 30% down, you can do it. We even have investors that allow you to get gift funds to buy an investment property. With 5% of your own money, you can get gifted the rest. DSCR loans can be a real estate investor's best friend. Next time you're looking at buying a new investment property, look into the DSCR loans. Don't forget, you can also use DSCR loans to refinance your current loan.